Hey everyone, so this is for my third mini lesson, and this is a text visualization, and this is something that I've done before, so I felt as though it was very successful in engaging me in a text in a new way. So basically, what I would have the students do, I have this question, which is, how do you see the settings of the book? So ideally, this would probably be with a book that we would do read as a class, and they would take a scene out of the book and kind of draw it in their own way, and they can include quotes from the book, they can include key words, anything like that to really bring that setting to life in a visual way. So I said to make sure to be as detailed as possible, include one or two quotes, and then if I scroll down, I have some examples. So these are just stuff that I found off the internet. Right here I have some bookmarks, and so these bookmarks are just visualizing what they saw from the book. Percy Jackson, they've got some knives, wonder, they have the space scene, everything like that. And then I also added both of these because they added more quotes, more keywords, things like that. And obviously, not everybody is an artist, and so it's not really going to be graded on how well they can draw it together, but more how much they added into the book. So, like this one, they added a bunch of quotes and they added like keywords and everything like that. And so that's really what I'm looking for with this one. It's kind of just a new way to bring the text to life. When I did this project, whenever I was in school, I felt that it was very engaging, and it also helped me to think about more things about the book, like what was going on during this time, what was maybe like the weather like, what was it in a forest, was it on the beach, stuff like that. So I think that this would be a very engaging activity for students to complete.